Hi, this is Noah from screenprintexchange. This is the second video on how to remove all the components on a Diamondback press. I did get these off finally. It was not so easy, and I didn't do it on a video because, you know, when these things are good, they're really good. So here is this is how they attach. There's like a keyway. And here's the underside that holds the frame. Oh, no. This is where this side holds the frame, holds the thing. And this side is where this is where it holds the frame. This is where these go. And there's a little hole that's bigger here. It goes to a smaller thing. And so these slide in and then push this way. So they're harder to, when they get old, this hole becomes as big, this smaller slide over here gets as big as that hole, and then they just fall off easily. I don't know if you could see that. So I'll put it in there, and then it slides in. So they used to make them where there wasn't this machined out end. And so, I mean, you could put one of these feet on if this goes bad. Maybe you have to extend this out a little bit, but that's how this works. They used to make these without this machined out end, and a screw would go in there. And I kind of prefer that way, but that doesn't allow it to go left and right a little bit. So, but once again, if you wanted to open these up, you take where is that? Well, I lost the tool. So basically, you take a needle nose pliers, and you put both tips in, hold it, and twist. If I can find it, I could show you again. It's in another video. If you wanted to rebuild these, because they get expensive, go to Ace Hardware and get your O-rings, or a hardware store, bring them all. I don't know if they have the rebuild kit on them. So these are getting scrapped, or if somebody wants them, call me fast. Okay, so I told you in the last video how to test these, and here's a real quick way, because sometimes your press doesn't work because one of these silly cords don't work, and you got to figure them out fast. So this is $11 continuity tester. Basically, continuity is the wire intact all the way through from both ends, and that's what continuity is in electricity. So this will light up. I watch the other videos because they'll save you a lot of money. So it's hard to do with only two hands. So yeah, so you see, this is a good wire. I'll keep this because someone will have a problem later on. These are much better than the old style. And, you know, the old style were like plugs like you'd use for a guitar or something. So take that off and keep it. I'll keep the so I like using these long ones. They twist eventually. These are used for like impacts. So, and the thinner they are, the more they twist. So, and they had ball ends at one point, but I cracked them off with usage. And what happens when these get really bad, and you could just grind it down and then start over again. It's perfect. And here's your $80 piece of rubber that disintegrates. I have tons of these, so if you want them, contact me. I loosened it up. There's a nice piece of aluminum at the end, but I'll keep that. Is that aluminum? I don't know. I don't think so. So yeah, I don't know why they don't use like a a spring, like a mechanical spring that just pushes in and out, maybe with like something softer. That's what I suggest. Maybe I'll make that part and people can stop spending a crazy amount of money on those rubber parts that disintegrate, and those gas cylinders that leak. And maybe you can use like a $10 spring. So I don't know. So that's my video, and subscribe and like. Go to my Screen Print Exchange site. There's videos and equipment manuals and schematics on there. So that's what we do. Thank you again. Bye.